all the paper has to be off. Turn it over. See who is it? Over, baby.
Turn it around, Isabella.
Maybe
Come
look.
on.
Who is it?
Dora.
Dora.
Okay.
No, get more. Look, you got so many. Get another one. Get another one. Which one do you want now?
Dora.
Okay, go. Let's open it. Open it.
Dora.
Rub pins.
Come on, open it. Open it.
Yeah.
Haha, he's so funny. Right?
Okay, open more. Open another one. Let's see what it is. Here. Oh, go. Rip it open. Go. What's that? What is it? Who's that?
Dora.
Dora? Who's that?
Dora.
Who's that?
Eagle.
Dora and Diego.
Dora.
Dora. Santa Claus bring for you.
Isha.
Dora. And Boots. No, that's Puppy. Oh, whoa.
Dora.
Whoa.
Dora.
Isabella, can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Thank you, Santa Claus.
Oh, boy.
Say thank you, Santa Claus.
Dora.
What's that?
Eagle. Okay. Dora.
SpongeBob.
Okay.
Patrick.
Eagle.
Diego. Dora. Come on, let's see Bob Pants.
Puppet's right
No,
here.
but what's this one?
That one.
What's in the front?
I want.
Look. Oh, see? You have 2 cups. One Bob Pants and one Patrick and hot chocolate. Oh, yay. We'll do that later, okay? Get more.
Get more presents.
Come on.
Go.
Dora.
Come on, open it.
Goofy.
Goofy.
Mickey.
Mickey, go. Open it up. Who's that?
Goofy.
Goofy. Oh.
Open that. Open.
No.
You have more?
Open more first. You want to open this one? Okay, let's open it.
Whistle.
Are you happy, baby?
Yeah.
Who bring all these for you? Where'd you get all these presents?
Present.
Who gave them to you?
Present.
From Santa Claus?
Second.
See, we told you if you're a good girl, Santa Claus comes.
I get more, okay?
Okay.
And 2 here.
Oh, that was heavy. What is it?
Coffee. That's coffee. A light. Right here.
What is it?
A light.
What is it?
A car.
A car. Whose car?
Open.
Whose car is that?
Open.
Whose car is that?
Mickey.
Mickey Mouse?